Jai Hind, friends. Today we are starting our Vartalap session 6 with again a living Kargil war hero, Lieutenant Commander Bijay Nair sir. Desh is extremely honored to have you sir with us. Welcome on board.
Yeah, thank you, Adrija, and thank you, Desh, and to everyone who's listening this. Thanks for the invite.
So actually, I must tell everyone that first time how I got connected to sir. Sir does some amazing storytelling videos, storytelling sessions. And I got to hear about one such first story I heard was about Major Mohit Sharma that sir was broadcasting. And it was amazing that those storytelling sessions are good for both adults and kids. You will feel like you are actually visualizing the things that are happening. And then I kept watching the videos sir used to post, and thus got in touch with him. And we are so lucky that we also got to know that sir is a Kargil war hero, and we got to know when we were actually doing our Kargil series. So we thought we must not miss the chance to have a video stat session with sir and get to know about the role of Indian Navy in the Kargil war. We all know about the role of Indian Army in the Kargil war in the form of Operation Vijay. We also, many of us know about Operation Savet Sagar, the role of Indian Air Force in the Kargil war. But very few of us know that Indian Navy played a very important role in the Kargil war, which is known as Operation Talwar. And guess what? Our Bijay sir has participated in Operation Talwar directly, and today we will listen to all his experiences. So over to you, sir.
Yeah, so first of all, a big thanks and gratitude to Desh for the work you are doing. Amazing work you are doing, connecting to so many people, so many martyrs, so many living legends, so many of them. So probably one of the best platforms I've come across social media, As a Fauji, heart connects always. As a Fauji, heart connects always, and then I do lot of, as you said, I do lot of storytelling sessions. So idea is to, the entire idea of the storytelling session is to get kids connected, to get the next generation connected, to know the tradition of armed forces, to tell story to people what armed forces, men, women, and everyone is made of, and to वो जोत जलाने के लिए कि वो होना चाहिए करके, it is just not another career, it is the career.
Exactly.
So that is हम लोग तो कैसे, I am from Mumbai, I am a Malayali but born and brought up in Mumbai. तो जब से होश लगा था तब से था कि फौज ज्वाइन करना है. So that was the only dream, and as they say, even today, if you see, I wear a India T-shirt when I talk also.
Amazing, sir.
मेरे नस नस में तिरंगा है. So that is the thing, and everyone in this country should know the contribution of the soldiers, whether it's Navy, whether it's Army, Air Force, paramilitary forces, police forces, everyone. So my tryst with being in Navy and part of history, I can say part of history, because there is no takeaway, because everything was done by Army, and like all of us have grown up listening to the story of Kargil war and the bravery what we did, and it was impossible, it was impossible initially when you think the way Pakistan had that strategic advantage and how we captured that and we just kicked them out from that place. That is purely because of because of our soldiers and the officers from the armed forces, and to that effect, mostly from the Army and the Air Force who were operating at that place, And I would tell the role of Navy, not many knows, not many thing has been written, and there are few videos available, but there are General VP Malik in his book has written wonderfully about the role of Navy, And if you see Admiral Sushil Kumar's interview, there is how, the significance of participation of Navy. So that particular operation was called as Jai Hind to everyone. That particular operation was called as Operation Talwar. And
Yes.
we know Operation Vijay as Kargil War. That is all. But it's, if you see the whole picture, it's Operation Vijay. Air Force was operating under the Operation Safed Sagar, and Navy was doing Operation Talwar. So it was a threefold attack, threefold attack. And eventually, if you see why the war ended, that was one of the major role was of blockading the logistics and other aspects of Pakistan, and making them totally crippled. So I believe the Prime Minister had accepted, the Prime Minister of Pakistan later accepted, and even the general accepted, that had Navy not, because of the presence of Indian Navy in the Arabian Sea and towards the Oka, they were only left with 6 days of fuel. Had they not called off the war, they would have been in deep trouble. So
Absolutely.
strong role of Indian Navy, but nothing to take away from the brothers of Indian Army and Air Force. They were, and they were there, right, starting from 3rd May, when that intrusion happened, and the first time the shepherds came to know there is some intrusion. And thereafter, subsequently, 5th May, we lost Saurav, Lieutenant Saurav Kalia. I think Saurav is my batch equivalent. And then subsequently, we lost Amit. So sequence of event, and the bravery displayed, there is no word to say that. India should be grateful to them. All of us Indians who are watching this video, I mean, even my interview, and whenever you see any army personnel, be grateful and show your gratitude to them, because that is
Yes.
what all our martyrs or those who have fought Kargil, they have done that. So massive respect to them. Being from Navy, I have gratitude towards my counterparts from Army and Air Force. That is what the respect is. So I will
Yes.
touch upon very interesting thing, and how lucky हो बोलते हैं ना, जिंदगी में जीने का एक मकसद होता है ना, जीना का
Yes.
अगर आप मुझसे पूछे तो मेरा जीना सफल हो गया. So when I was joining the armed forces, so first thing, I'm from the engineering background. By education, I'm BTech, and I joined Navy as short service tech 10 years. So that was the time when you joined the forces in 99 starting, and you passed out close to Kargil war. And then my friends would say, have you have joined armed forces, will you ever be able to see a war? And that was, that generations have gone without seeing war. ठीक है, वॉर होना नहीं चाहिए, वो तो है, एवरीवन, नोबडी वांट्स टू वॉर, बट अगर वॉर
Yes.
हो जाता है तो हम किसी से कम नहीं, हम तो ट्रेन ही उसके लिए
बिल्कुल.
होते हैं. और होते हैं ना फौज में, पहले बोलते थे देश के लिए मर मिटेंगे, हमने वो पूरा कंसेप्ट चेंज कर दिया आफ्टर दैट. तो अभी है कि देश के लिए मार मिटेंगे, मरना ठीक है, मरना
बिल्कुल.
देश के लिए मार
बिल्कुल.
मिटेंगे. So that was the interesting trace of joining the armed forces. And now I will tell a very interesting fact. Very few of my friends know. Very few of I speak give a lot of corporate talks and storytelling and so many other role I play. But this fact only, probably Desh is the first channel or first medium I'm speaking to. So the thing was, so we passed out of academy 3rd May, and the Kargil war started to build up, and then when we passed off academy, we were to go for our young officers course. So you have a lot of courses lined up after academy. So we finished our first course, if I remember, firefighting and NBCD course at one of the units in Navy. And then we were supposed to go for a logistic course, and that was a long course. So it was curtailed. That was the time war was peaking. It was at high peak somewhere around June, we lost many officers, and at the same time we were capturing so many
Points.
points which they had, बोलते हैं ना, छल कपट से विश्वासघात
बिल्कुल.
करके उन्होंने ये किया था. So we started showing them back that what we are made of, you know, what our army, what our air force is made of. So when we were about to finish, we were left with, I think, 1 month more of the course. And suddenly it was told to us that we are going to ships, you know, warships. And you know, young officer, full of blood, out of academy, pura, you know, you lost weight and everything, pure josh mein.
Yes.
And when we used to hear in us young officers course also ki war is going on, and then we were like, when will we get chance? You know, hum bhi naval officers hai, we have passed out from academy. All of these young officers were 22, 23, who's fought, you know, who's martyred and who's proving their mettle. Why won't we get a chance? You know. So this used to be the talk going on in our wardrooms and other places. And let me tell you, each and every soldier, I'm telling you, from the सबसे जो you know, junior most soldier से लेके senior most general, everyone without a blink, ये है कि देश बुलाए तो फिर there is nothing. If you are in the Indian Armed Forces, आंख बंद करके, you know, जैसे बलिदान बैच होता है ना, कि हमने तो देश को सौंप दिया. So there is a very interesting thing I tell every kids also, the day your stripes are unveiled. So Navy में stripes होते, जब पेरेंट्स आपका स्ट्राइप अंतिम पग के बाद when they unveil, they offer you to nation. तो उसके बाद सिर्फ उनका बच्चा नहीं रहता है, तो आप देश के बच्चे हो जाते हो. So there is no thinking back, you know. So हम भी वही सोच रहे थे, हम लोग क्यों नहीं जा रहे करके, नेवल ऑफिसर्स है. And then the opportunity came, and so we all were, you know, posted to ships. So our young officers course of logistics was going on in Mumbai, one of the naval bases, and then we were told to report the ship. So I reported to a very frontline warship, which was the core of this entire Operation Talwar. It was a missile boat. And I still remember, you know, goosebumps when I say this. When I reported, I was the junior most officer there, and there were men and 10 officers, and I was the junior most, जिसको कुछ आता पता नहीं है. And then पूरे जोश है कि जाना है, क्या करना है वो नहीं पता, जोश है कि अगर ऐसे कुछ सिचुएशन आ जाए. पूरे वेपन ट्रेंड्स थे, गन सब चलाना एकदम फ्रेश सीखे थे, वो सारे जोश में. So when I reported to the ship, so I reported to my reporting officer there, and then so I was to meet the captain next day morning. And captain.
So what was the name of the warship that you reported?
Yeah, so I reported was INS Kirpan. You know, it is a Eastern Fleet ship, and it, as
what
you know,
a beautiful name.
Yeah, INS Kirpan. So Kirpan, you know, Kukri, Kirpan, Khanjar, Kuthar. This forms the Kirch. This forms the 5 series of ship. Kukri class ship बोलते हैं इसको. So I reported to INS Kirpan, and my batchmate, one of them reported to Kukri and other to Khanjar. So this was the 3 of us reported. And as you know, Operation Talwar, so the entire Western Fleet, entire Eastern Fleet, so Eastern Fleet was also moved. And the best part, you know, best part of Operation Talwar was, हमने announce किया सबको, पूरे मीडिया को, वर्ल्ड मीडिया को, कि बॉस हम मूव कर रहे हैं करके, यू नो, ये 30 शिप है, यहाँ से मूव हो रही है. फिर अंडमान की तरफ वहां से प्रेशर बिल्डअप हुआ. वेस्टर्न नेवल कमांड के इतने शिप है, एयरक्राफ्ट करियर है, नेवल चॉपर्स है, सारे के सारे अनाउंस करके सबको, यू नो, कि वी आर देयर, सो दैट इट बिकम्स अ इंटरनेशनल न्यूज एंड let Pakistan feel the pressure. So that was the entire idea.
Yeah.
So I reported to a Eastern Fleet ship that was, you know, en route to join the Western Fleet. And then, so it was those moment. अभी तभी अगर देखते थे, तब के बारे में अगर सोचे तो ऐसे लगता नहीं है कि, you know, ऐसे था. But now when after armed forces, now when you are in a civil world, now when you see what was the importance of that particular being there and being part of a history, you feel so proud, you know, you feel so proud of, जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट में बताया कि अगर किसी ने कहा कि कल भी अगर कॉफिन में जाना पड़ा, कुछ हुआ तो कोई गम नहीं जिंदगी से, ठीक है करके हम भी थे वहाँ, यू नो, दैट वाज द थिंग.
बिल्कुल.
And then when I reported the next day I was to meet captain. So एक tradition होती है, जब एक young officer report करता है तो you have to meet captain for breakfast. So that was the tradition. And this captain, जो my ship's captain was one of the terror. He was known as Tiger. He was known as Tiger, you know. And later when I left Navy, he also left Navy. We met many times. He was also a marathoner. Couple of years ago, unfortunately, sir passed away to cancer, you know. But he was known as Tiger. So my friends, when my batchmates, when they came to know I'm reporting to this particular ship, they say, okay, your commanding officer is a tiger, so bach ke rehna karke, you know, so you are in right hands. So next day breakfast, he asked me, a very thorough gentleman, you know, and then he checked my, you know, things, my past, my academy, and then he asked me one simple question. He said, I guess you are from Mumbai, correct? So I said, yes, sir, I'm, you know, born and brought up here, and because of it. Then he asked me, do you have a girlfriend, you know? So I was like shocked, you know, first appointment or CEO is a tiger, ekdam hota na. And then he's asking me, do you have a girlfriend? I said, yes. So now my wife, Mala, like we are married for close to 15 years now. So we were seeing each other that time. And then he said, okay, so you have one day, tomorrow, early morning, we are casting off. So if you want to see your girlfriend, go and see and come back. Because we never know whether we are going to come back or we are going to attack Pakistan. So just say one, go hug everyone and come back, you know. That was what he said. And तभी एक वो पल होता है ना, एक मोमेंट में ऐसे लग गया, अरे व्हाट इज क्या बोल रहे हैं करके. फिर दूसरे पल में ये हो गया, ठीक है यार, इसी के लिए तो आए थे फौज में करके. And then that one day you went back and I never told anyone. Came home and पूरे बाल छोटे छोटे थे, पूरे hugged everyone and then I was happy. कभी वो ऐसे लगा नहीं कि you know कुछ होगा करके. पॉजिटिव थे कि मार के आएंगे करके, वो दूसरा एस्पेक्ट था ही नहीं कि, but still you know CEO said देख लो जिसको भी देखना है करके. So that was the first interaction with him. And subsequently, missile ships, Kukri class ships are very small, you know. So they carry, I'm a technical officer, so they carry, this particular ships carry missiles, 4 missiles they carry. So it's available on Google. That's why I'm telling you. Otherwise, this would have been a classified stuff.
Yeah,
it's available on Wikipedia and other places. So it carries 4 P-20 missiles. And there are Stella missiles and AK-630 gun. And there are other guns, you know. So the role of such missile corvettes is, if you launch a SSM, there are 4 missiles, you know, and they are surely to make a huge damage on whatever, like what we did in 1971, you know. So similar one. So we casted off. We were casted off close to Okha and that place, and then because of the international pressure, so every year, if you see the Navy, there are exercises carried out. You know, we call it as Summer X and Spring X. So in order to give it a form, we went into a covert exercise. It was called Summer X in Arabian Sea. We went into Arabian Sea that time, and entire thing was war ready. You know, even the ships were carrying live warheads, that in case कुछ करना पड़े तो बस मिसाइल छोड़ देना है. So that was the beauty and the role, and पूरे ship में इतने जोश में थे ना लोग. See, fear, if I say you don't fear नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं. Fear is one of the integral part and characteristics of everyone. Fear होता है, but fear से आगे होता है ना वो जीत, और वो that overtakes your fear, you know, that overtakes your fear. Fear हर इंसान में होता है, but वो जो जोश और ये होता है, that overtakes your fear. So जो ship में इतना जोश, I had seen, I was the youngest, I said, as an officer, but I would see even the CEO, even the senior commanders or lieutenant commanders, they used to be, ठीक है देखते हैं ना करके, and every time जब भी सिग्नल आते थे आर्मी के, आर्मी कैप्चर्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर point and someone has martyred, so we used to discuss in the officers mess is called wardroom, so there was wardroom talk, and CEO used to give Joe's talk to every ship's company every second day. He used to appraise people of what is happening and what is our role. So one good part about our CEO was वो कुछ अपने तक नहीं रखते थे, कुछ classified छोड़ के he wanted to inform each one of his men that you are part of history. You are part of history. You are going to be part of history. So be on high alert, be on full जोश. बाकी देखेंगे जो होता है जो होगा करके. So that was the atmosphere. And the the funniest part, ship, as I said, is very small. Like there's capacity of 10 officers and many other men. So we were the extra officers there, 11th and 12th. So two of us. तो हमारे पास सोने के लिए जगह नहीं थी. We didn't have bunkers to sleep, And then I still remember where I slept for that 1 month during this ops, and so I used to sleep in a compartment called PLCP. It's called pre-launch missile compartment. So I was just sleeping on the near the control panel of missiles. There was a small space, so two of us were given to sleep there. So that, and we were on the close, and so he used to tell, even my senior used to tell, यार अगर कोई कभी ऑर्डर आए ना दबा देना करके, on a lighter tell, दबा देना करके, पाकिस्तान आसपास दिखे दबा देना. So that was the funny incident. But over this entire, in spite of so much tension mounting and things happening, we used to joke, we used to play, we used to laugh, and we were one unit. We were one unit, and we used to mourn the brave deaths of our, or the when someone used to be martyred, we used to mourn, all of us. We used to pray for them, and we used to pray that everything would be fine. And that's what happened. It was sheer courage. We won Kargil war. What army did, I mean, nobody can ever imagine. That's what the young guys played so many important roles there. If you see Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra, all are young guys, like 23, 24. I mean, even I was 23 that time. So I could imagine. And let me tell you, हर, जैसे मैंने बोला, हर soldier, हर officer, everyone was of that particular stature. अगर मुझे भी given a chance, अगर मुझे भी बंदूक लेके जाना होता तो कतई नहीं सोचता जाना है करके, वो है. So that is the training of armed forces. That's the beauty of armed forces, irrespective of Navy, Air Force, Army. So that is the. So but एक confession मैं करूँगा कि अगले जन्म में life मिला, अगर अगले जन्म में मौका मिला तो पक्का infantry join करूँगा आर्मी का.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल. May your dream come true.
Yeah.
So just tell me that. Yeah, please tell, sir. Please tell.
So my daughter, I have a daughter. She's a teenager. I am 44 now. She aspires to be army officer. Surprisingly, And I was telling her, why not Navy? She said,
great. That's great.
And I hope her dream will come true, and that is my dream also. She joining army. होता है ना सबका, तो मेरा भी वो dream है. हम दोनों का wife. So let's see how things go.
Best wishes, sir. Best wishes. So just tell us, sir, like in general, the common people का ये एक idea है कि Kargil war was fought on the mountains, on the mountain terrain. So what was the need and the importance of Indian Navy into a war that was being fought on a hilly terrain?
So generally, if you see the entire, if you have read book on Kargil, it is termed as a mountain warfare. So the Navy's role,
Yes.
even I would say it's purely my perception, and Navy's role was a support role, which punctured the ambitions of Pakistan logistically. वहाँ से तो ये है. So what Navy did was, by cutting off their trade route and by placing
Okay.
these
Yeah.
ships of Eastern and Western Fleet in the Arabian Sea and the Gulf of Aden. कैन यू बिलीव, सी क्या होता है, कोई भी एक कंट्री होती है ना, वहाँ की इकोनॉमी कैसे होती है कि लॉजिस्टिक, यू हैव टू, all your logistics either come by air or come by sea or by road. Pakistan is heavily dependent on the incoming things from the Karachi port. And then when you know that you are when we mounted that pressure at sea, even the Pakistani tankers, these are the non-war ships, जो लॉजिस्टिकली तेल वगैरह गल्फ से लाता है, they were also being escorted by Pakistan Navy. वो इतना डर गए थे कि एक बार अगर हमने मिसाइल या कुछ कर दिया तो entire tanker will come down. So we were trying, we mounted so much of pressure technically, and as they said, they were only left with 6 days of fuel in that country, and that was one of the reason. Let me stress you, that was one of the reason of they calling of war also. I'm sure there were a lot of casualties on their side also. So if there are 10 reasons for them to call war off, one is because of our bravery and because of army taking over everything. And one of these reasons was they were not having any logistics. Logistically they were punctured, and
Yeah.
that's why they went back to America and they started crying and all. So whatever उनके हिस्ट्री बुक में वो बोलेंगे कि हम जीत गए करके, you won't be surprised to find in their history book saying that Kargil they had won करके, so they are such bastards.
वो तो कहते हैं सारे उन्होंने ही जीता है, 71, 65
हाँ,
everything.
71 भी वही जीते हैं, 65
Same.
stupid people,
Yeah. So just my main connect with you was the storytelling session. So how did that idea came to start that storytelling session of our real heroes?
See, yeah, so that's a very valid and good question, Adrija.
Because that is a very unique thing. Means first time I have, like, you are the first person I have seen doing such sessions. Like इससे पहले कोई किया भी नहीं, सोचा भी नहीं, and it's such an interesting and informative session that you do. So how did that idea came to your mind, sir?
So what happened after Forge, as you know, I mean, as you have shared in my profile, now I work for one of the very national body of interest, and I'm in the senior post there as a associate vice president. So what happens is in this so many years, 3-4 years, I started speaking to a lot of schools, schools and parents.
Okay.
Let me tell you, see, as Desh is doing a wonderful job, people are ignorant about the role of armed forces. People are ignorant about the role of armed forces. Just one second. So what happens is, just give me one sec. Just give me 1 sec.
So take your time.
Yeah. So many schools, even parents, they are ignorant about the armed forces. उनको क्या लगता है कि armed forces, let me tell you very frankly, this is a very frank confession rather. I've spoken to many schools in this last 3-4 years. उनको क्या लगता है कि जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं होते हैं वो जाते हैं आर्मी, एयरफोर्स, नेवी में. That came as a shocker to me, parents, those parents who are like engineers and doctors and all, their perception, उनके टीचर्स जो स्कूल में सिखाते हैं उनका परसेप्शन कि जो पढ़ते लिखते नहीं है वो जाते आर्मी. I was like, come on. So there is a serious problem of awareness to people. So that is when I started speaking to lots and lots of school, and to tell them about the story of courage, to tell them about the story of leadership, to tell them story about values from the armed forces. So it has been appreciated very well, and it is the only way of telling to people ki, every day in and day out, when people sit in the comfort of AC and room and Netflix and all, there are people out there who's protecting you LOC or Navy, at sea or at air, there are people. And then when you tell them about the career in the armed forces, so their perception change. So over the last 5-6 years, there are at least 6 of them who have joined NDA and INA, just by this talk. So मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ओके, तो मेरा एक इंजीनियर होना या एक आर्मी ऑफिसर होना वो सफल हो गया, when people are, so many kids are connected to me on Instagram, and I tell them story after this storytelling. When I told story about Mohit Sharma, and I told story about many unknown stories,
Yes,
उन्हें लगता है कि ओके, ये फौज वाले जो all those people, family, देश पहला आता है, your country comes first, your men come second, then comes your family. This is what we have been taught. And let me tell you, once kid hears the story, 90% of the kids are motivated. 90% of the kids are motivated. And Adrija, you will not believe the amount of direct messages which come to me are mostly from young girls, young girls who want to join forces. I'm so happy. Like even today morning, I was counseling someone. इतना जोश है कि सर ज्वाइन करना है तो फौज में ही ज्वाइन करना है. अब आगे बताओ आप क्या हेल्प कर सकते हो. So I give them lot of inputs and classes sort of thing. Of course, everything is free in my time and their time, and I demand, if someone wants guidance from me, I demand. I sit on their head after that, कि तू फौज में तेरे को ज्वाइन करा के.
Lucky, they are so lucky, sir. I wish you were there in our times also.
So that is what, and you feel so honored to even recite their stories. You feel so honored to recite their story, and thanks to people like you, Jayashree, who connected me to few of their parents, like Mohit's family, and Mukund's family, and so many others, even so one is Gallantry Award winners, Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra or Veer Chakra, then Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, and there are so many unknown soldiers also. So my aim is to bring stories of all of them, It's not only about the Gallantry Award winners, it's about everyone. So that's what. So all those who are listening to me, do join for my story session. I do conduct on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, I was about to tell that. Don't miss them. I mean, you will be visualizing the things that happened actually. Amazing are those story sessions. And sir, as you were telling that you guide young minds to join the armed forces, so please share some information about that, sir. What are the aspects you cover while inspiring those young minds?
Yeah. So all those who are listening, you would be all of us should be happy.
And actually, sir, some defense aspirants are also listening, so it will be of great help to them.
Okay. So let me tell you, all of us who are listening, parents or anyone who's listening or who will be listening this video, we all should be proud of our youngsters. There are so many youngsters out here who want to join armed forces. पहले मेरा भी perception गलत था. पहले I used to, a year back I used to feel कि when schools वगैरह में मैं सुनता था कि कि पर parents का perception ऐसा है फौज के बारे में. I used to get very angry about that. But there are so many youngsters last 1 year, करीब 10,000 के आसपास बच्चे होंगे कि there are so many छोटे schools है, coaching classes है, who trains them for a SSB or for an NDA exam, and there are so many people who are preparing for it. सबका ऐसे बच्चे हैं, ऐसे वो 2 days back I came to chat with one youngster saying कि sir, I replied him, when he DM'd me on Instagram, and then he said sir कोई reply नहीं करता है करके आप पहले वो जो reply किया. I said okay, what's the big deal? नहीं कोई reply नहीं करता है तो अगर पैसा होगा तो एक coaching classes वगैरह में. I said there is no need coaching classes का नहीं. अगर if you really want, connect to me, I am there to guide you. I can tell you ये करना है करके, बाकी तुमको करना है करके. And there are people
बिल्कुल
who come back and saying कि फौज अगर नहीं हुआ ना सर तो हो सकता है कि मैं जान दे दूंगा करके, I'll commit
right.
suicide. There were people saying that अगर फौज नहीं join कर पाया तो I'll commit suicide. I was like, come on, if you are thinking of committing a suicide, तो फिर you don't deserve to be in फौज first of all.
Yes,
Simple.
yes, yes, yes.
So, but then interesting. So I guide them. I guide, especially on Instagram. A lot of them get in touch with. So I tell them what happens in SSB, what is required. See, let me admit on this forum itself, saying I'm from a very humble family. You know, like my background. If you listen my podcast and all, so we were, like any other kids in 80s. Not that privileged where hand to mouth existence and so many other things. School, English medium school होके English बोलते नहीं थे हम करके, was a very small school. वहां से वो ड्रीम था, that dream was very very clear कि फौज में जाना है. Once your dream is there, you will work for it. यही मैं सबको बोलता हूँ. There are two important things in life: the power of your dream and the power of your belief. अगर आपने ड्रीम किया तो आप उसके लिए जी जान मेहनत कर दोगे. और वो ड्रीम सिर्फ एज टुडे मॉर्निंग आई वाज लिसनिंग टू मेजर जनरल विक्रम सर, who's the Iron Man also. So I was listening to his session. He was also interestingly put up the power of dream. So I also believe in the power of dream and belief. शाहरुख खान की वो मूवी है ना, ओम शांति ओम, उसमें बोलते हैं ना किसी चीज को अगर आप शिद्दत से पाओ तो सारा कायनात एक हो जाता है उसे सच करके. तो मैं यही सारे बच्चों को बोलता हूँ कि किसी चीज को आप शिद्दत से चाहो तो यू विल वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट, यू विल डिग फॉर इट, you will Google it, you will get in touch with the right people, and then हो जाता है. पिछले दो ढाई साल में एटलीस्ट 6 बच्चे मेरे मतलब who was in touch. There are hundreds and hundreds. At least 6 of them, went on to join NDA. So that's a big win for all of us. Not
that's
only
absolutely. It's a nation's win, actually.
It's a nation's win. It's a nation's win.
Yeah. Sir, actually, like we always follow one thing, that whenever any we lose any hero on the in action, whenever we lose any soldier in action, we give the family some time before getting in touch with them, because during the initial days there are like media, the common people, relatives and everyone, a lot of people are there around, and suddenly after a few months all are gone and there is this huge vacuum. So initial days we don't disturb the family, and also we make it a point not to post any disturbing images of our soldiers, like their cremation, the coffins, the loved ones crying on the coffin and all.
True.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, Drisha, I can. Hello.
Yeah. So you have actually been the pallbearer also of one of your compatriot. So you know better the grief, the loss, the pain. So if you share this message to everyone, then I think people will understand.
Correct. So my
how it feels.
Yeah, my humble request is, because I was on the other side where I was the the parade officer for when you carry the coffin of your batchmates or someone junior or someone senior to you. It is a nation's loss, first of all. And I remember correctly when I was the conducting officer for that, so having a sword and everything, that is the respect what the nation gives to you. And then there are medias, there are medias sitting on your head and taking the photos and videos, and there are family who's crying. There is a young wife who would have lost her husband. There is a young kid who's crying because she would have seen her father. He or she would have seen her father many days ago or months ago, and she's crying for that final moments.
Absolutely.
And that's the time when everyone click photo, and I fail to understand, I fail to believe why those photos have to come and make a glamorous headlines next day, saying that there are so many happy pictures of families to post. There are so many happy pictures, and then that keeps on circulating. And today is the age of social media, whether you like it or not. It's the age of social media. There are so many pages, there are so many individuals. See, everyone have love for army, air force or navy. Many of them won't be realizing it also. Many of them won't be realizing it also.
Yes.
And then everyone wants to put that first picture. But let all of us pledge and be sensitive. I don't want to blame anyone, but let all of us pledge and be sensitive that even if you want to post about
Absolutely.
someone, please post happy pictures. Please post happy pictures, not of I just few days
And sir,
back.
actually now in the time of social, yeah, in the time of social media, sir, a lot of families like wives and parents and kids of our martyred soldiers are in the social media, and while surfing they also get to see all those images. So let us post a happy image so that seeing that they have a smile on their face, isn't it, sir?
Very true, very true. In fact, when I discuss with you also, initially, see, as I say, everyone does out of respect. 99% of us who post a photo,
Yes.
knowingly, unknowingly, we do out of respect. There is no second thought on it. So, but let's change our
Yes.
perception. So when we put a photo of
Absolutely.
someone, we want to show that respect. At the same time, let's all pledge to post a happy picture, rather than a wife crying in a private moment or a kids crying in their private moment. Let's not post that pic and make it a viral photo for some photographer to get an award. You know, so that's very insensitive.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And sir, also another aspect of you, or another side of yours, is that you are a very, very humorous and witty person, sir. And I think you are writing a book on that is yet to publish. So please, sir, tell something about that.
Yeah, okay. So the irony कैसे था? फौज में जब सब कुछ था ना, तो when वो रगड़ा होता था, when you have all the facilities in life to train, and तभी, so I left फौज in 2009 after 10 years of my commission, and then I had a chance to continue, but then I had to, I was having hypothyroid, and so I moved out after 10 years of short service commission. And that was the time when health started deteriorating. So फौजी तो है जान में, खून तो फौजियों की दौड़ती है. अगर आप रिटायर भी हो जाओ तो आप फौजी हो. फौजियत तो पूरी भरी हुई है. So that was the time.
Once a soldier, always a soldier.
Always a soldier. I die as a soldier. जब कॉफिन में जाऊंगा तो फौजी कहलाऊंगा मेडल्स के साथ. So that is what.
पक्का वो बैच रहेगा सर साथ में.
बैच रहेगा, और ऑपरेशन विजय स्टार will be there. All those things, So that is the time when I took to distance running, endurance sports. So the T-shirt I wear, India T-shirt. This was the last times. There was endurance run in South Africa, 89 kilometers. So I completed that last year. So after moving off from the forge, I started marathons rather. So I've been a known runner in the Indian running circuit as a hobby runner, and just to keep my health. And in that bargain, I started observing people. I observe a lot. ये भी quality forge नहीं सिखाया है. When you are in shape or in your dockyard, so you observe a lot and then you write. So probably humor became बोलते हैं ना strong point academy से लेके. So I do write lot of things on humor in and out of uniform. बोल के there is a page on Facebook for the Forgies. Navy, Army, Air Force. So all the humorous posts. So I am a lead contributor there, and then that's how the humorous part. So my first book was on inspirational stories of the marathon runners. So that was released in 2016. So it has been sold some 3,000 plus copies. So this would be a lockdown, after lockdown release. So the book is under, I think, editing and all has been done. So it has been well received in the close circles. So hopefully it will come. So life is जिंदगी खुल के जीना चाहिए, like मस्ती, सीरियस रहो बट मस्ती करो. Put
बिल्कुल
that
बिल्कुल.
किसी को ensure करो कि आपके मस्ती से कोई किसी का दिल ना दुखे. बाकी तो जमाना है.
Heart must, yeah. Bilkul. And sir, as you were saying that you had hypothyroidism, hypothyroidism, no, sir?
I still have thyroid. So
yeah. So whenever we have some ailments, we we consider it as a setback. We lose hope. We get depressed, but you actually took it on your stride and dealt with it positively, and you have become a marathoner. I think you have also did commando marathon. So sir, please, I would request you to motivate our listener on how to overcome these ailments positively, how you have done.
Okay. So where I was detected by hypothyroid. Hypothyroid is a condition. Thyroid is a very common condition. They say it's more in ladies.
Yes.
So I am those few lucky men who got that. So I am so lucky. That I am very lucky to have thyroid. And so there was two choice. फौज में भी हमें बोलते हैं आपके पास दो choice होता है. दो situation होगा life में. या तो सिचुएशन को, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल कारगिल का जो सिचुएशन आया वेयर वी वेंट फॉर वॉर, देयर वाज टू चॉइस. अगर आप आई रिमेम्बर रीडिंग कैप्टन मनोज पांडे, उसका एक छोटा मेमोयर पढ़ रहा था, तो इन दैट आल्सो ही सेड देयर आर टू चॉइस. या तो हम यहाँ से वापस जाएंगे या जाके मारेंगे करके. सो दैट चॉइस यू हैव टू मेक इन लाइफ. सो दे ऑल चोज दैट फर्स्ट second choice of going and killing the enemy, and that is why you, me, and everyone, we are in fact talking and sharing that stories. So life mein kabhi bhi do choice hota hai. So thyroid gave me two choice.
Yes.
One is you sit sulk and say कि मैं बीमार हूँ, अगर मैं बीमार होऊंगा तो ये नहीं करूंगा, वो नहीं करूंगा, because मैं बीमार हूँ. Simple. Second thing is कि मैं बीमार हूँ, you don't think that तुम बीमार हो ही करके. So it's a deficiency, and take the positive side of that and then work on it. So the positive side for me was, जो मेरे doc थे, he was a very nice fellow. He said, you are a फौजी, so why don't you take up endurance sports? आपने academy वगैरह में काफी किए होंगे. And let me tell you, Adrija, that is why I'm a marathoner. That is why I could find out this hidden passion. Academy में वो होता था ना रन विन, तो मेरे बैचमेट्स आज भी अगर मुझे देखते हैं, अरे यू आर अ मैराथनर, सब बोलते हैं यू रिप्रेजेंटेड लास्ट टाइम फॉर कॉमरेड्स. सो दे लाफ, दे यूज्ड टू से तू तो सबसे वीकेस्ट था हम में से, एंड देन यू हैव बिकम द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. सो थायराइड फॉर मी वाज दैट चेंजिंग पॉइंट. एंड देन आई टुक इट पॉजिटिवली, and yes, today because of that thyroid, I am a distance runner. I am an author because my book is all about running. My second book is coming. So lot of motivational stories I speak on running and Fauji. So first motivational talk I used to give about runners. Then धीरे धीरे the entire thing embedded about Fauj and runner. So बस positive, कोई भी चीज को positive लेना है, क्योंकि हम पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो जो हमको देखता है वो पॉजिटिव रहेंगे. इन दैट इफेक्ट, वो बोलते हैं ना कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट होके एवरीवन विल बी पॉजिटिव.
बिल्कुल. Yes. And so now in this lockdown time, we are all like feeling hopeless, depressed, because every step that we are taking, there is an uncertainty. So there are restrictions. So I would request you to tell our viewers, tell our listeners how to cope up with this situation, because sir, you have spent days into ships where actually you had to live a restricted life, I mean on the sea, same water and water. So you will be the best to actually address us on how to keep ourselves motivated in this lockdown phase.
Yeah, so when very truly when this lockdown was announced, तो पहला दिमाग में वही जहन आता था कि अरे ये तो हमने कर चुके हैं करके. वी वेर ऑन शिप्स, ऑफ कोर्स ड्यूरिंग ऑपरेशन तलवार, देयर आफ्टर माय सेकंड पोस्टिंग ऑन शिप. कब तभी 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 महीनों महीने एंड माय सेकंड पोस्टिंग वाज ऑन अ फ्लीट टैंकर. सो फ्लीट टैंकर जैसे भी वॉरशिप्स वगैरह होते हैं तो दे गो फॉर 7 days एक्सरसाइज सॉर्टी एंड दे कम बैक. सो फ्लीट टैंकर्स आर बिग शिप्स. तो वो किनारे पे होके भी ऐसे मुंबई दिखेगा या दुबई दिखेगा, फिर भी आप जा नहीं पाओगे. यू वुड बी एट एंकरेज एंड थ्रू आउट आप आपका पानी देखते रहोगे. सेम सेट ऑफ पीपल यू सी, सेम मशीनरी यू सी, सेम वार्डरूम यू सी, एंड देन देयर इज नथिंग. एंड अगर जनरली बोलते हैं ना, हम लोग दो बाद में आई आल्सो बिकम अ सीनियर इन फौज. एंड पहले ऐसे होते थे कि बोलते थे हम लोग जब जूनियर ऑफिसर्स थे, बोलते थे यार अभी सीईओ आएगा, ही विल से सेम जोक और हमको हंसना पड़ेगा बार बार. ये कब तक चलेगा. सो लॉकडाउन हैपेंड. सो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज दैट ओनली. अच्छा ठीक है, ये जी चुके हैं करके ऐसा लाइफ. But then see the positive side. I will again say,
बिल्कुल.
see the positive side. Because इसके पहले जब मैं रूटीन में when I go to my office and all, spend 1.5 hours in traffic one way. So 2-3 घंटे ट्रैफिक में चला जाता है. Then work pressure and traveling. I couldn't see my daughter grow. I couldn't take time for her to see studies में क्या चल रहा है. Today, last 2-3 months, I sit with her. She's in 9th standard now. Take her studies. I could see what my father is doing. My parents stays with me. I speak to them. And then छोटी वो जो खिड़की पे एक जो चिड़िया भी आता है ना, पैरट, उसको भी देखते रहते. अच्छा, now parrot come, now sparrow come, and then so many things. I thought कि I missed it so many years. So probably this is a patch up of that time. At the same time, I'm sure this is not going to be a permanent thing. It's just a matter of few more days. And we all hope, we all hope. Hope और belief से दुनिया टिकी है, so we hope ये भी चला जाएगा. And be positive, stay calm, be positive. Enjoy जो आपने लाइफ में कभी नहीं किया. Write something, read something, listen to people. I do listen to a lot of talks and webinars where you get a lot of inspiring stories. कभी कभी ये नहीं कि सिर्फ फौजियों का इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी होता है. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल इन लाइफ हु विल इंस्पायर यू. आई वाज लिसनिंग टू स्टोरी ऑफ वन किरण खनोजिया who's a software engineer who was thrown out of train, and then she got one of her leg cut, and the other leg was rod was been put, and now she's a marathon runner. So many such stories. So many such stories.
Absolutely.
So be positive.
So some lifestyle changes. Yeah, some during this lockdown phase, do you want to suggest some lifestyle changes that we should actually incorporate ourselves?
Yeah. So
to lead a healthy life.
Yeah, being in endurance run and being a sportsman, hobby athlete, I would call. I won't say as a sportsman because it becomes competitive. So as a hobby athlete, I would say, see, generally क्या होता है, there is a huge misconception. So Sunita madam, she's writing, and I'm grateful to Sunita.
Yeah, she's actually sister of Captain Amit Bharadwaj.
Yeah, ma'am. So nice, and so nice to know about Amit, and because of them we are here. So आपकी पूरे family को प्रणाम मेरे तरफ से. So thanks for being in this session. So lifestyle change in the sense, see, there is a huge misconception. कैसे है ना, अभी हम घर के अंदर जब बैठे हैं, so we don't do much exercise, and this is the time when we health style और सब लोग है घर पे, तो खाना बनता है, दबा के खाना बनता है, ये नहीं वो नहीं, फिश बनेगा, ये बनेगा, and see, now you won't have exercise, at the same time आप दबा के खाते रहते हो, which is exactly opposite. What people does is, जब आप वर्कआउट करते हो लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद, you work out and then you restrict your food. You will say कि मैं वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ तो मैं ये नहीं खाऊंगा, वो नहीं खाऊंगा. ऐसे नहीं. जब आप लॉकडाउन में हो, you have to limit and maintain a healthy lifestyle. उसके बाद जब लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, when you actually work out, then you enjoy on your food and other things. So there is a huge tendency of piling up this weight, and I've seen so many of my friends, including me. I won't lie, including the घर पे बैठे बैठे everything is there,
बहुत भूख लगता है सर घर पे बैठे बैठे.
So there's tea, there is coffee, there is so many things. Where even I have gained couple of things, but yes, you should maintain a healthy lifestyle. Try to sleep at your normal sleeping time, and try to wake up at normal. सब life normal हो जाएगा, बाकी सब जगह हो गया है. शायद we are the sufferers. Mumbai, I believe there is 2 more weeks of lockdown extension for us. Let's see how things go.
Sir, this is the message from Mrs. Charulata Acharya, wife of Major Padmapani Acharya, Mahavir Chakra, to Raj Reef.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And so grateful to sir and for every one of you, We
Sir,
are
एक दिन
like,
हम इनकी कहानी सुनेंगे आपके मुंह से.
पक्का. And I don't know, जब मैं स्टोरी बोलता हूँ तो मैं बहुत इमोशनल हो जाता हूँ, जो मेरा कैरेक्टर में नहीं है इमोशनल होना, बट जब मैं ये सारी स्टोरियां जब दोहराता हूँ तो आई गेट गूज़बम्प्स पहले, देन आई हैव टू कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ, and then I have to go live or whatever you do, because I'm sure someone who has gone through that knows what it is, what a sacrifice is.
Sir, both Bengali and Malayali are actually fish wala person, sir. That's why. So it's amazing, sir, to have you with us. Like, I'm not a good speaker, and I lack confidence when it is time for me to talk. But today Anusha can't come because of the connectivity issue. She don't have power at home. So I was little worried. Then I thought it's you. So I knew that आप तो बस आप पूछेंगे मैं तो आप अच्छा से बोलेंगे तो ज्यादा मुझे सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा. So it was a wonderful chat session we had with you, sir. Thank you so much. And I would tell our young viewers also, please, if you have any queries, if you need any inspiration and information on how to join armed forces, please do get in touch with Bijay sir. He is the best person to motivate you, being in uniform once upon a time.
Yeah, in fact, I would request all those aspirants, please get in touch. But if you request my guidance and support, please ensure that कि मैं जान ले लूंगा. फिर एक बार अगर आप मेरे गाइडेंस में आ जाओ, मैं सिर पे बैठ जाता हूँ. I'm a very bad boss that way. So
that is the best thing, sir. क्योंकि sometimes we lose motivation, हम ट्रैक से निकल जाते हैं. अगर ऐसा कोई हो जो हमें हमेशा ट्रैक पे रखे, so that is the best thing to have.
True. And then so when I was coming out of Kirpan, the war and everything was over, 26th July, we had, all of us had party and on ship 27th, and when I was to deboard from that ship and to continue my YO course, that time captain said, do you know Vijay, that you have become a part of history now. So I was, that time it didn't sink, to be very frank. जब अब 20 साल 21 साल के बाद जब सोचते हैं, तो then you realize, okay, so you're part of history, So
absolutely.
And my request is that all of us know story about army and air force. So Navy का भी story थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना, because Operation Talwar was one such.
Because otherwise it will not be we will not have the complete knowledge if we miss Indian Navy.
In fact, media had also reported very less on it. अभी भी जब मैं Vijay Star, when I speak everywhere, so it is popularly known as Kargil War, Then people say, sir, आप फौज में, नेवी में थे, आप कारगिल में क्या कर रहे थे? Then you have to explain them, boss, it was Operation Vijay. It was not, Kargil War was popularly known. Then they understand, So,
exactly.
So then second opportunity came was during Operation Parakram. Again, Pakistan fiddled with us. So this time we were very prepared, and then हम unfortunately तभी then we used to say, unfortunately a war called off हो गया. नहीं तो this time we would have वो नामो निशानी मिट जाता उनका मैप से. So they were lucky that way.
बिल्कुल sir. We are also lucky, sir, to have you with us today. Like, you have such a busy schedule, and still gave us a good 1 hour session, and like such an informative session we had, and like the time flew like that. We never felt that we have actually had
Yeah, 1 hour.
a session
Yeah,
for 1 hour. Like
seriously,
ye dil
seriously.
mange more sir actually.
दिल मांगे मोर. और बिफोर आई एंड, मैं दो चीजें सबको बोलना चाहूंगा जो भी सुन रहे हो,
बिल्कुल सर.
इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर एज. अब छोटे बच्चे हो, टीनेजर हो, या कोई भी स्ट्रेटा के हो, कोई भी, देयर आर टू थिंग्स यू शुड ऑलवेज बिलीव: द पावर ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी एंड पावर ऑफ बिलीफ. जब आप पॉजिटिव सोचते हो तो आपके आपके बॉडी में जितने भी कण कण है, ईच सेल विल conspire and come together to make that as positive. अगर आप नेगेटिव सोचोगे तो वही सारे चीज मिलकर नेगेटिव बना देगी. सेकंड थिंग इज पावर ऑफ बिलीफ. हम सब, all of us are special, all of us are special, whether it's Adrija or whether it's Vijay or whether it's anybody. All of us are individuals and we are special. So remember that you are special, and believe that you will do wonders and history. So with that, I think I sign
Amazing,
off here.
amazing.
Yeah.
Yes sir, yes.
And
Thank you
thanks to
so
all
much,
for
sir.
listening. And thanks Desh. Desh, you have been doing wonderful job. अगर मैं किसी से connect कर पाता हूँ तो I got connected to you instantaneously. मैंने देखा the work you guys are doing. So let me assure you, at any point of time, whenever you require me, बस सिर्फ एक मैसेज डालना. तो कितना भी बिजी शेड्यूल होगा तो टाइम निकल जाएगा. नॉट एन इश्यू. So thank you, Adrija. Thank you, Anisha.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.